All right, today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the child safety lock on this particular GMC Sierra. I'm going to show you how to turn it on so where if a person is inside of the vehicle in the back seat, they will not be able to open the door by using this right here to open it up and get out. They have to have a parent or an adult to open the door from the outside. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm at the back of this GMC Sierra. In order to turn on the child safety lock, what you'll do is you'll come down to this area right here and you'll see, get me closer, this right here. This is child safety lock, and there's a lock with an arrow. And that's indicative that when I press this or push this towards that where the arrow is pointing, the child safety lock will be engaged. And I'll show you. With that engaged, I'm going to get inside the vehicle, back of the vehicle. The door's unlocked. And so what I'll do is I'll try to open it and nothing happens right there. But I need someone from the outside to open it, but there's a trick around it. I'll just open the door like this and then reach around and open it, just for the video sake purposes. So that is how you turn it on. Now, if you want to turn it off, so the passengers and passengers in the back seat can get out of the vehicle from using the latch, what you'll do is you'll come back right over here and you'll go ahead and go in the opposite direction of the arrow, and now it is unlocked, and I'll show you. I get in, and now I'm going to open it just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you engage the child safety lock feature and disengage the child safety lock feature on a GMC Sierra. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.